Let's discuss one more question. By what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 be divided so that the quotient may be equal to 9 by 4 to the power minus 2? Children, here in this question, read carefully. By what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 be divided? Means minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 is the dividend here, and we have to find the divisor. So the number that we have to find, we suppose it as x. So let's see the solution. Let the number be x. Now what we have to do? In the question, minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 be divided means what we have to do? Minus 2 by 3 according to question, minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 divided by x is equal to 9 by 4 to the power minus 2. Now you have to apply your mind here that here the base is 2 by 3 and here it is 9 by 4. So what can we do with this 9 by 4 that it becomes in the term of 2 by 3 or 3 by 2? So let's see. We can write 9 by 4 as the square of 3 and 2 like this. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. Now move ahead to the process. Here it is in the division form, and we know that when we have to divide any number we can multiply and take its reciprocal. Minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 1 by x is equal to, and here if you apply the law number 4 that if we have a power inside and outside a bracket then we have to multiply it. So what will be the number here? 3 by 2 to the power minus 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Now 1 by x is equal to 3 by 2 to the power minus 4. Here it is in the multiplication form, so when it goes to the RHS it becomes in the division form here like this. Now what you have to do? Solve it. 3 by 2 to the power minus 4. So when you make it positive, what it become? 2 by 3 to the power 4 divided by minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. Now divide it. We see that the bases are different. So what you have to do? 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Now cut this. Minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Now what is left with you people? 2 by 3 divided by minus into minus plus, or plus into minus is minus 1. Means what is the answer? 2 by 3 and minus 1 here. So we can write here minus 2 by 3. So this is the value of 1 by x. Therefore 1 by x is equal to minus 2 by 3. But we have to find the value of x. So what will be its value? It is equal to 1 by x. If you can also cross multiply this. So what will be the answer? 1 into 3 is equal to minus 2 into x. So what is the value of x? 3 by minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Here directly you can also write as the inverse. How you can write as the inverse? So 1 by x we can write x inverse, and minus 2 by 3 we can write 3 by 2 inverse. So the value of x is also we can compare as the base powers are same, so base are also same. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So in this way we have to solve this question.